How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to have two separate Facebook apps on one phone for Android. So we're going to use the dual messaging feature that Samsung have, which lets you install another version of the same app. So if you open up settings and type in advanced into the search bar, you're looking for the advanced features, so open that, and then you want to scroll down until you see dual messenger, and under available apps you should have Facebook, so simply tap it and then it'll ask you to confirm install a second copy of Facebook. So you just want to press install and it'll ask you to confirm a load of T's and C's along with using a separate contact list. So we're just going to press next and use the regular contacts. And now it's turning on the dual messenger. And as you can see, a second copy of Facebook has been installed. And if we come to our apps, you can see that we have two Facebooks. So that's how to install two separate Facebooks on one phone. Thank you for watching.